Is your 2013 Chrysler 300 displaying key fob not detected? This common issue is often due to simple causes. First, the most likely culprit is a dead or weak key fob battery, typically a CR2032. Replace it. This solves 70 to 80% of cases. If that doesn't work, try an RF hub reset. Insert the key, turn the ignition to not start, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this 3 times. This clears minor glitches. After either of these steps, test the fob. Before going further, understand that this issue affects around 20 to 30% of 2013 models annually. Note, if you had a faulty RF hub from 2022 recall, reach out to your dealer for support if not addressed. NATSE campaign number 22V-123. If battery replacement and RF hub reset fail, you'll need to relearn the key fob to your vehicle. With the vehicle in run mode, press and hold the lock-unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 10 seconds while cycling the key. If issues persist, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, specifically U0140, indicating an RF hub communication issue. Note that extreme temperatures can worsen fob performance. Store fobs away from metal to avoid interference and replace batteries every 2 years. DIY fixes are successful in about 85% of cases. Remember, DIY fixes are successful in about 85% of cases, potentially saving you hundreds compared to dealership repairs.